Two automated templates didn't take any trades, not yet. And we still wait for our first trade. That should be it. That's a big push downside. Again, it's your job now. It's just waiting until the market takes the trade for you, and then you add your strength to buy it. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. George, here you go. Only good morning. guys can hear me? Sound is on, should be. Can you guys hear me? Let's see. That's a big push downside. Still waiting for the first trade. Yes, sir. Some used car. Let's see. All right. So your trade so far? Give me your second. So you guys can hear me or not? There are a lot of people saying, okay, cannot hear you. Let me check. Still waiting for a trade. One second. the chat if you can type, if you can hear me or no. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me try again. Why there's no sound now? Let me try again now. Can you guys try now? Can you just type in the chat if you can hear me? Still waiting for a trade? Still no trade. A minute. That's a big push downside, trade. That's a big push downside. Let's see. Make sure everything is correct. Yes, sir. Any trade happening? No. Again, you just sit and watch and chill. That's it. In a trade, manage it. No trade, you sit down. Some days you have a lot of trade in the morning, for the first 15 minutes. Sometimes you first trade come after 30 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes, depending on the market. All you need to do is just, watch what happened and manage your trade, whatever happened. Let's see if any 15 minutes here in this area. Market keep pushing down big time this morning. Okay. Oh, I see. 1 second here. I see an area right at. 1 second. Right here. See that? That's also an area. What else? That should be okay. We still have. I see a lot of people off for the drinking room today. Yes, Friday today and Halloween. So maybe they're busy today, preparing for the party, whatever. But come on. To be honest, I don't understand what is the idea of celebrating the fear. I don't understand. It's very weird. If you think about it logically, it's very weird. What is this like? You know, festival, people celebrating a death and scare each other and watching scary movies. What is this about? You know, it's very weird. How about? Close this window. Close the office window, make a lot of noise. Good now? That's beautiful. That is beautiful. So guys in the trading room, can you hear me? Okay, that's good. See, there's a lot of buffering in the video. That is a YouTube problem. template at the right short is trail stop, correct? Yes. This one is trail stop, yes. This one is fixed. And again, the idea is running the 4 templates on 4 different accounts. So this one is different account, and the swing 5 different account, the O2 different account. So now you already catch the market in corner. Whatever you do, I'm with you. If you are moving big and I gotta catch a trade, I'm gonna catch the trade until the end. If you are choppy, I'm gonna catch my profit quickly. And also, you know, the different style of movings, like the swing 5 using the 3 to 1 with 5 swings. Other one using the EMA slop. So we catch all of everything as much as we can. And that's it. So you can get 4 tiers. I would, like I said yesterday, you can get 2 pro tiers, connect them, one with the pro tier connected with the trail, and the other one connected with the O2, the one makes $16,000. So you can actually pass the threshold within a month, less than that for sure. And then you can get elite tier for this fixed target and for the another one, which is swing 5. Come on, let's see. Where is the trades? Okay. What is this one is on? This one was off. All right. See, I also see the auto template was off. That's why you should be in the morning every day to make sure everything is correct. You know, I mean, it was off. So I'm not sure if this trade should take trade in the morning. But again, this template doesn't take trades every day, like I said. So we'll see. We'll see. 30 minutes, no trade so far. What is this one? Line here. Minutes, no trade so far. Very quiet today. I want to see if you get a trade here. So distance between this and here, 45.6. Yeah, let's see. Still no trades. Be 1 second, I'll be back. That's a big ass bar downside. All right. Stay no trade or what? Yes, sir, no trade. That's okay. Keep waiting. Again, the system will not catch every trade in the market. It's not going to happen. So you trade whatever you get. Just guys, keep in mind Halloween 85% will end this weekend. Okay? So nobody, because I got a video yesterday, when this is gonna be ending, it's gonna be end in a weekend. 85% will end in a weekend. So make sure to use it. It's a trade 85. Type in the chat here. Trade 85 for 85% discount. Okay, pushing up now. Back again. Let's see. Come on. cool thing about the system is all of us are gonna get signal at the same time. So whenever you use any of you guys using a system, if you get a signal, you'll get one. Which is tell you, even if we have using different connection, of course there is different slippage, it's not gonna matter because it's using the 1 minute bar after the close. That's why it's very accurate. That's why the back testing is very accurate. That's why no difference between signals. If you see a system that actually printing signal different, each one has a different signal, that means the signal printing on each tick. So the back testing will be garbage. But if it signal printing or trade takes after bar close, it's slippage is not gonna matter. Especially if you're using like big target or big stop, it's not gonna matter. Any system that use intra-bar signals, garbage. Like any system using any Renko bars or any this kind of bars, it looks nice bars, but it's garbage. Back testing, it looks so good, but in reality, garbage. Because Renko bars, you could see like in 1 minute bar, you could see like maybe 50 Renko bars at the same time, depending on the size. So which means you're gonna enter the market and close within the 1 minute bar. That's why it shows in the result in the back testing good, but in the reality, garbage. Okay, I told you a story about the guy who, I keep telling this because it's a funny story actually. Like a guy sent me an email, like it was like 3 years ago, I think, back a while ago. Screenshot of he made a strategy using Renko, and he showed me the result. I think it's just that whatever he made, like 1 million something in 1 month profit, 1 million, with like $300 loss. It's something unrealistic. He didn't show me what bar size he's using, but once I saw it, I know it's not intraday bar. It's an intraday bar. It's not using some kind of Renko. Or so. I said, what bar size are you using? He said, hey, Renko. I know what. Yeah, here we go. It's not gonna happen, buddy. And the way he was doing is he was doing like some crossover stuff during the Renko. So even if he tried to do this manually, kind of impossible. Impossible, because Renko is moving so fast, he's not gonna be able to catch it. So the only way you can do it is actually do automate it. So I tell you, you know what, just run it, automate it. You like the result? Yes. Run it live for, I'm not gonna tell you for 5 days, just 1 day on Sim, and you'll see. And I run it 1 day for Sim, I think he lost $5 grand in this 1 day. So that's the problem with this, intra-bar stuff. I'm telling you something, no professional traders whatsoever, they're using any this kind of crap. Like this Renko, Nenza bar, all this shit. No one used that shit, never. Any professional trader, they're using time-based bars or they're using ticks, that's it. Nothing else. Even 1 minute. Some bots using 1 minute, but most likely use 3 minutes above. Like myself, I bought a bot before. It was a subscription, actually. It was like 5 years ago. It was like $600 a month. And they give you, a trail for a month to try it, blah, blah, blah. And they have a template. Oh man, let's see if I can have a signal. They have a template, and it's in queue as well. And this template, if you trade, it makes you $600 a day. So I run it on simulation, and also they have their own bar. They have kind of like Renko, but they make their own bar type. So I run it on sim. I get a subscription right on SIM for 30 days. And it make me $600 every single day in the 20 days. Every single day, never miss one. So I said, yeah, beautiful. I run it live, first week, beautiful. Every day, $600. And one day, one loss, $12,000. That's actually a real story, and this was real money. That was not evaluation, it's real money. $12,000 in one day. One day. What kind of crap do you think it is? If I know, if I made a strategy that actually make me $600 a day consistently, which is good, but if the market move against me, which is could happen, I lose this amount, like $12,000, if you divide it by 600, that is actually worth of 20 trading days. 20. So if even it happened once a month, you lost all, you're not gonna make money anyway. If it happened once a month, twice a month, you're done. So I emailed them, you know what the heck you're guys doing, and you know what, any kind of crap. Again, so be careful with this kind of stuff, And my advice, do not buy bots. Our system, that's why I don't like to call it bot. It is about trading for you, but we manage it. We see what's happening. We manage it. If we see something wrong, we change it. We have 4 templates. We're using different 4 templates, so we are on top of it. But do not just buy bots and, in the hope of running and keep it running. I have a bad, I lost more than, I would say, $100,000 on bots before. There's also another famous company, I'm not gonna say its name. They have like a portfolio bots. You can bot and it's around $7,000. So I spend this money on their bots. They have like 40 bots, 40 or maybe 50. It's like some crazy shit. And you run these bots on a VPS, they give you a portfolio. You pick like 6, 7 bots, and they show you this portfolio had this drawdown, this, this is the profit. So I start with the one portfolio, and again, live trading, no valuation, real money. Because also bots, even if you have a very good bot, and you know it's gonna work, it's not gonna work with evaluation if you keep it running, because the drawdown. Except 1 hours, because we manage it. But anyway, so I pick a portfolio. So I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna start with 20K account. So I pick a portfolio trading micro. Drawdown was around like maybe $1,500 or stuff like that. So I pick a 20K account. I fund the 20K account. I run this portfolio, and the first week I make $7,000 from 20. That's just beautiful. And then anyhow, so I make around, like, for the first month around $11,000 from the 20 on top, which is 50% increase, which is massive. So I said, you know what, let's go. Good morning, Brad. So let's go. So I just decided to double my size. So instead of trading, so I doubled the portfolio, and I added funds. So I started trading 40K accounts. And then I trust it. I leave it running, and I never actually, watch the VPS, what it's doing. And then one day I opened my VPS. I was on vacation, and I see my account. It was 40K account. It was $9,000. $9,000 for at least, I think for around less than a month. Because I say, you know what, that did this job. Let's do it. It's a passive income now. I don't need to touch it. Let's go, man. I lost $35,000 in less than a month. Almost $31,000. That's it. That's why you never actually have something running and just, keep it running and see, I don't know, you know what? It's going to be making money for me when I'm sleeping. It's not going to happen. You must be on top. Come on, man. Almost 1 hour, 20 minutes. No, almost 1 hour now. No trades. So this white line here, I don't need red line. Come on, man, give me a trade. Come on. That's a big ass bar. How many ticks is this bar here? 131 ticks. All right. Ooh, that's a huge bar. 149 ticks so far. Ooh, man, give me the trade. Fuck that. I don't wanna. I was actually gonna stop this trade because the freaking bar is so big. AI plus. But anyway, okay. I'm in it anyway. I can touch it, but I was actually gonna actually stop this trade because the bar is so big. But that's fine. Took the trade. It is what it is. Took the trade. So for me, for the trailing, I'm gonna actually, trail my stop and reduce my risk. For the fix, I'm gonna keep it. So the trading, I'm gonna actually, once this bar closes, I'm gonna reduce my risk for this one here. Also, I'm not losing more than more than $500 in one trade, by the way. So if I see myself losing more than $500, I'm gonna exit the trade immediately. So I'm not gonna lose more than $500 in a trade by any chance. Just to let you know, that's my maximum loss per trade. No more than that. So I'm done. So I'm not taking this trade. So I lost $500.
Order filled.
Which is fine. So when I was talking, actually, I actually shouldn't take this trade because the bar is so big. And when you see a bar like this, don't take this trade. You see like 200 ticks bars, don't take it.
Order submitted.
What the heck? So cancel this.
Order canceled.
Still calculating.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Should we cancel this bar? Give me 1 second, guys. So yeah, when you see when you see a big bar like this, you don't take the trade. So if you see a big bar like this, but unfortunately the market was so quick, so I was talking, but this actually 155 ticks. So your max loss should be 100 ticks by any. Do not make yourself lose more than $500 in one trade, by any chance. That's your max loss, which is 100 ticks max. More than that, no. Because you want to give yourself room to move. If you lose more than $500 a day in one trade, and you catch 2 trades in a row, that's big loss. So again, our daily max loss is $1,000. That's why I'm giving myself room for 2 trades. If I catch 2 trades, and again, not all the trades gonna be $500 loss. Some trades are gonna be like 250 or whatever, 300. You know, the max would be 500. You know, let's see. And actually, this trade, by the book, by the way, it should reach a target. But because I market moving so quick and my target was over there, because 3 to 1, I didn't actually have a time to move it, right? So it actually come back, push to the 15 and push up. That's the problem with the big bars. But this stuff can happen. This stuff can happen. Also, there is a new adjustment. The new adjustment I'm going to make in the version, this version, the V2 version is coming soon, maybe next week or so, week after that. The new version will actually filter the big bars. So you're gonna have actually a filter to add how many ticks in the bar you want to have, maximum. Like 100 ticks. So if any bar more than 100 ticks, it will not actually print signals. So in this scenario, it's 156 ticks, so it's not going to print any signals, which means big bars. Did you short take the trade? It should take the trade. Let's see. So this one is, we still have one still short, by the way. We still have 2 trades short. The 5 trail and the alpha auto, still both of them are still short. So let's see. When I see the alpha auto trade short, like in a position, I feel comfortable. We'll see. We'll see. like start to be choppy now.
Order canceled.
Let's see.
Order canceled.
That's a big push to the upside. Big push. Well, well, well. Keep pushing up. Come on. Did you guys, for the auto trade that run 4 hour before the market opened, because mine was off actually. I accidentally turned it off this morning or yesterday actually. So did this version take a trade for you before the market? Or no? Come on. How many ticks here we have here? From here to there. That's a big push upside. That's a big push. So for this trade, I shouldn't take it, by the way, because it's less than 14 ticks. See? So I was talking, and I actually jumped, and I let the market take it. But realistically, your sell limit should be right here, and also shouldn't take this big ass bar. So if more than 100 ticks bar, you shouldn't actually take the trade. But anyway, that's why you have to pay attention. Oh, I get someone yesterday asking me, okay, you know what, one of the days trail, and he told me, you know what, I got 2 losing days and then 1 big day. I want to make sure it's winning. What are you talking about? Man, you got the system, you got the chart. Go back and look. Go back 60 days, 100 days, whenever you want to do, and look yourself. Go back, you look yourself, and draw your lines, and back test, like, with your eyes. You don't need to do any automated, just your eyes. How many times you hit the target with the area, and log, see this trade winning, this trade losing, and same with the trailing. So do like this. If I am in this trade, my profit gonna be here, my move, my stop, then my target, this is gonna be make this money, and you will see. Do it for the last 30 days. For the last 30 days, and you will see the result. So you don't need to wait to see live result. You can actually, that's why I gave you the 5 days. You can actually go back and see it yourself. Every day, you see the target, you see the entry, you can see if this trade is winning or losing. Very obvious. And then you can calculate how many money you can make each day if you take the whole trade from market open until 8:45 or 8:40, my time, or 11:40. That's it. That's as simple as that. There's a big push to the upside. Do we have a trade war? Come on. Very slow today. Market is moving good, but the signals is very slow today. You get only one signal today. Keep in mind the market, the bot using a lot of volume. So if the market doesn't have volume, even if it's sometimes market moving, but without volume. So that's why sometimes you see the market moving, but there's no signals because it's not. First of all, it's not going to catch all the move. It's not going to happen. Second, it's using a lot of volume indication. So if the market has no volume, actually the bot will step aside. Let's see. That is a big move upside. Big ass move. Hmm. Still no trades. Well. Well. Do you still have anything? Not yet. Not yet. Very slow today. How many ticks here between this bar and this high? Okay. Market is moving, but with a very big swings. So, kind of move, but if anyone trading with a tight stop, will eat them alive. Ooh, la, la, la. Come on, man. That's the slowest day ever seen since long time. One trade. And even the trade happen is not valid trade. You shouldn't take it. See if I have something here. What's the distance now between this here and here? Still have 20 ticks, so I need 20 ticks here. Oh. So if this bar get a signal, I'm going to actually move my buy limit right here, but let's see. I don't think it's going to trigger now. I don't think so. Come on. Very move slowly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so a question here. As far as I can understand, you can create several strategy templates. For example, if I want to less aggressive, I can. Yes, of course you can. You can change whatever you want, man. you can add filter as you want, but keep in mind, the more filters you add, the less trades you have. So the template you provide you is the sweet spot, but you can do whatever the heck you want. You can choose any filter. You can make it, we have a lot of filters here. You can use primary filter EDX, you can use EMA slab, you can use higher time frame, you can use ATR, whatever. Also, you can use dynamic filter, which means if the system will indicate if it's inside day or outside day, and then you can pick which filter you want to use with this specific inside or outside day. So there's a lot of stuff you can change. Also, you can change the parameters of the system itself, like the quant proxy. You can, the less this number, the more trade it will take, and the more higher this number, the less trade it will take. Same with the AI volume. Same with the supply and demand. It's a lot of stuff you can change. I'm not saying don't change anything, but use our template because this is the one we actually make money, and this is the one it's very consistent. But you can play with it. To use the automation and manual combined, why not only the automated? Maybe because the automated has a higher risk? No. I explained this many times, and I will explain it again. First of all, you have to have a diversified portfolio. So the way I trade this, I trade 4 accounts with 4 different templates. I trade this, you move my target manually to hit the target at the nearest area with 1 account. I trade this when I'm moving my stop loss behind market structure in 1 account. And I have another template automated by itself using swing high of 5, 3-to-1 risk reward. And I use another template using EMA slab as a primary filter, which is very conservative template. The way I do this, because I want to catch the market in a corner. Whatever market is doing, one bot will make money, of course, 100%, because the market is very choppy. This one will make money more than this one. If the market have a big move, this one will make more than this one. Same with the template. So 4 different accounts, 4 different templates, and and then this way you can actually make money. If some bot or if some template lose money this day, the one they're gonna make, and then you are the winner anyway. With 4 different accounts. And depending on the automation by itself, no. You do not do that. You do not depend on the automation itself. This is not the system, you got it and go back to sleep. Just to be clear. And if someone tell you, take my system, run the bots, go back to sleep, gonna make you money, he's lying. And you're gonna lose money. I guarantee you. You have to be on top. So even the automated templates, I'm on top of it. Right? One template, the only one I'm not monitoring, we have one template that's running 4 hours before the market open. This is the only one I let it run, because it's very conservative. I let it run. This one makes us $16,000 since October 1st. And for the whole year, 46. This one, take trade 4 hours before market open until market close. So if it take trade in the pre-market, that's fine. I'm not touching it. But once I'm open the chart, at open, I'm monitoring everything. I see what happened in the bots, what's doing. If it's over trade, it's a bot. Any mistake could happen, anything. So you have to be on top. That's your money here. And then I'm taking, I let the bot take the trade for me in this too, and then just manage my stop here, manage my target here, and that's it. So it's a 2 hours a day job, but it's gonna make a lot of money. You got the idea? And by the way, if you are trading other market, like if you like to trade crude oil, gold, ES, you can, play with a template and make one that work for. And the good thing also about this is because it's printing already the stop and target and everything. You can change the risk reward. You can change how the stop loss gonna be appear. If you are a bar high and low, swing high and low, you can change the strength of swing. You can change how the system will move the stop. If you can make it fixed target, you can make it swing. You can make it trailing stop behind the swing. You can change the swing. It's a lot. It's a very sophisticated system. It's not like you take it but we provide you the working template that actually we use. And in the future, if you make another template that actually also good, you will get it. But you can also do your homework. You can, test it and play with it. Okay. I see you prefer to. Okay. Okay. Will it run on replay? Yes, it run, but you don't need to replay. You don't need to replay at all. You can, but you don't need to. The replay, if you're using swing, yes, you can turn on everything, but you don't need to because it's printing the signals. So you can actually go in any chart and loot 60 days and go back in the chart yourself, and you will see how many times, if you're using the 50, if you're using like this one here, we take the target at the 15, you can see how many times hit your target and see how much money you made and log it for the last 60 days, 100 days, whatever, right? And also you can go here and, see historical result. And don't tell me Ninja Trader historical result is not accurate. It is accurate. Here, accurate, 100%. Because this is not intraday bar entry. It is bar high and low limit order. So even there is a slippage, it's not gonna matter because the stop loss and target is big. So even there is a slippage, it's not gonna affect anything. So there is a lot of ways actually you can, see the result by yourself. So think about it this way. I'm giving you guys a system that give you a signal 95% the market will move in your favor. More than 95%. But for how long? I don't know. How many ticks? I have no idea. Nobody knows. Could be 20, could be 50, could be 100, 500, I don't know. That's why we have 4 templates. One will take profit very quickly for the 15. It will hit your target 90% of the time. And we got second one, we trail our stop in case the market big move. Oh, we had a trade here. So all we need to do is gonna add our buy limit.
Order
here.
submitted.
So that's what happened now. So it's already at the buy limit. And then if you are in a trade now, my target is gonna be here. That's it. And this one I'm gonna trail my stop. That's it. That's your job. This is my target. It's going to be here. And let's see. AI plus. Come on, man. Go hit the target. Be a good boy. Hit the target, man. Come on. Let's go. Target hit.
Order canceled.
So this one target hit. And now I'm gonna start now tidying my stop loss for the trailing, and I wanna see market break this one. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here now, just to reduce my risk. And once this bar close, I wanna see clear breakout of the 15. Once clear breakout, I'm gonna move my stop loss right here to reduce my risk. But again, I catch a profit now for the 15. And if the market pulled back on me and hit my trailing, that's fine. I already tried to catch the profit from the trailing. If it didn't do it, that's fine. It will, like yesterday, this trailing make us $2,500, $2,500 in this trailing. This one make $300 only. Some days this one will win, some days this one will lose, but overall, the trailing make more money than this one, big time. Like this one, since September 25th, it made $16,000, was almost once, I think $1,200 drawdown. This one here, the trailing. This one makes 60 grand. So that's why we use both. You know, some, like I said, if you have a fund to go accounts, which is gonna tiers, when you use the elite, when you use the pro tier, use it with this one, because you're gonna pass the $9,000 threshold very quickly, and you can start making money. And you use this one with the, let's say, elite tier, which is gonna be $4,500 threshold. Also, you're gonna pass it very quickly. That should be your plan. Ask the plan just to get more practice, but it seems to be really good. And I'm willing to try. Yeah, thank you, man. Try it. You'll love it. Now, Max, start moving now. So what I'm gonna do now, I don't wanna add, listen, if I add my stop loss break even now, most likely gonna hit my stop. Most likely. So I wanna see clear breakout up here, and then I can move my stop. I see a wicks here. So I see a wicks here, and I see also a wick here. So I can actually add my stop loss now, but I don't wanna do it now. I wanna see what's gonna happen, because I don't wanna, if I move my stop loss now, it's gonna hit my stop. Anyway, I wanna give it some time to see what's gonna happen. Let's see. I don't like this wicks, to be honest. So I'm gonna break even now, you know, and see what's gonna happen. There we go. Market start moving now. So now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just move my, I wanna see any support resistance here. I'm gonna secure some profit from this one here. Some profit, like, you know, whatever. How many ticks, I don't know. It doesn't matter how many ticks. But you just keep it like this and you see. And if I see clear breakout, I'm gonna move my stop loss right here now. I see this wick also. Oh, that's a big move. That's a big bar, big ass bar. So I wanna catch some profit from this motherfucker. So I'm gonna add my stop loss limit here, but here now. And let's see. A little bit below it. Yeah. Okay, keep moving now. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here now. So I'm gonna wait until the bar close. I wanna see clear breakout with 15, and then I'm gonna move my stop loss right here, right there. But I see this rejection. I don't like this rejection. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna keep my stop. If it hit my stop, that's fine. But I'm giving the market room to breathe. It could hit my stop, yeah, that's fine. If it hit my stop, that's okay. I stop loss in a safe place now. So it hit it, that's fine. I did my best. So I tried to give the market room. And, you know, because my goal in this specific method, moving my stop, is to catch big profit. My goal is not to catch 50 ticks or 60 ticks. If it hit my stop, that's okay. As you guys can see, my stop, market move, it didn't hit my stop. It could hit it now, but that's the way I'm moving my stop behind market structure. So if it hit my stop, me and the market gonna move down anyway. But I give it a chance. Let's see. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna actually move my stop loss right here, take some profit, or you know what, just wait, because I see this wicks, and I don't like this wicks, to be honest. It's too much wicks here. This wicks upside here, I don't like it. So this indication mark, the sellers are stepping out here. I don't like that. So I secure profit, to be honest. Market structure shows me it want to push down. So I secured from this trade so far 25 ticks. What? Yeah, 26 ticks. Not bad. Doesn't matter. And wait. I'm waiting. See what happens. I want to see clear breakout. And there is another template running now. It's already long. Actually, I have two templates running now, the O2 and AI Plus, the 5 trail, both of them are long now, which is very cool. Keep in mind, when you are in a trade, if there any signal happen, this one will not take any trades because you're still in a trade. This one will take a trade. You know what I mean? And then we go back here, we see any wicks here. So I might move my stop loss right here now. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it here. Hit my stop, that's fine. Yeah.
Order canceled.
For trading, so that's fine. So I did my best, try to move my stop loss to catch big profit, but market is moving down now. It's choppy, so that's what I'm doing. So I catch small profit here, very quick, and then I trail my stop, and then I let the bots running do its job. And the bots historically, when you see the result for the bots, one template using 20 bar swing, which is, if this is a signal now, it will count 20 bars and then add our stop loss behind the swing. Other one using 5 swing. So historically, both of them, even if you have a losing day, that's fine. If you have a losing trade, that's fine. It will make money over time. So we don't care about, you know, if this trade is losing or winner, I don't care.
Order submitted.
So that's what I'm talking about. See that when you have a signal, market will move in your favor. For how long, I don't know. It could be from here to here and pull back. But the most obvious rejection is the 15, the next one. That's the most obvious. Sometimes it go touch it and come back. That's why I have this one. So I take my profit in the most
Order
obvious target.
filled.
And then if the market keep moving, I have another one to trail my stop and take more profit. If it moves with different account. Because I can do it in two account in the same account anyway. So it could be, so it must be a different account. So I can, both are mine anyway. But I'm using different approaches. We have 7 minutes and 15. We have almost 20 minutes until we're done today. You get only 2 signals. One of them are winner, the other one we shouldn't take it anyway. So I will consider one trade today. Come on. Let's go. Do you see, guys, how accurate the 15 is? So look at this. Look at this. Like by the tick. It doesn't mean it's not going to break. You know what I mean? It means is there is a chance for rejection. That's why we take the profit here in this template and we move our stop loss here. So in both scenario, rejection or not, I'm in anyway. Like you corner the market.
Order canceled.
Let's see. I think the other one is still short, so the same 5 trail still short. The swing 5 still short. Sorry, long.
Order canceled.
Stop now. Okay, keep moving down. So you can have some days the auto template loss and you make money of this move. Some days all of them is gonna be winners like yesterday. Some days one gonna make more than other. But you know, you actually, like I said, you corner the market in every direction. 20 blah blah blah. In chart shows a sell what sell. What? My chart shows a sell. I know what you're talking about, man. There shouldn't be any signals. If you have any signals, you do something wrong, or you have a different settings. It shouldn't be any short signals at all. You should, all of us, have the same signals. Nothing change. Everything should be the same. Any one of you guys have a sell signal? Or a sell market down now and the market going like a short side? You shouldn't. If you have a short now, you have a different setting than mine, which you change it. Come on. That's a nice push downside. How many ticks I have here from this bar to here? That's like less than 2 ticks. If you get any sell limit here, I'm gonna move my sell limit right here. And I should have a nice smooth area to the downside. If I get any signal now, it's gonna be a nice profit, but let's see. Also check if you have any 15 minutes, like any new areas happen, the 15. In the meantime, all right, I see also, yeah, I see there is a one here actually. There is a one here. I see also there is a one actually here. There is a one new area here, perform. She's this one. I would say, yeah, see these two bars, one here, one high and low, this one here. So this is actually a new area. That's why it rejected here. So you see, when you get this long for this moving out of stop, we try to catch as much as you can from this one without actually, you know, tiding my stop loss so tight so it can actually move, hit my stop. But I tried and then it pulled down. So I did my best, you know, that's it. And here I catch my profit very quick. Pressing pushing down now. If you get any short signal here, no, I don't know. It's a nice move. Just you also be alert when you get any signals, so you can actually see the distance. If you can want to move your entry or whatever. But, you know. In this bar, oh man, this is a big ass bar. 110 ticks. Yeah. So if you get a bar like this, how big this bar here? 1 second. 170. That's not bad. Like 100, around 100, 115. That's fine. But like 150, 200 ticks bar, that's fucking shit. Don't take it. That's a big move, man. How many ticks here? Mark is moving big time now. Oh, so we have 4 minutes. 8:45, this is going to be my last signal printed, so 4 minutes and then we should be done today. Very quiet day today. Well, 2 signals actually print today. One of them should be taken away, other one is winner, so very quiet day. Two minutes. One minute left. So if you get any, we have almost 30 seconds until if you have any trade. Other than that, system will not take any trades because I add my actually stop time at 8:45. So let's see. What is this move, man? What's happening? What is this move? It's not going to take short any trade anyway because the market is still below 100, so it will not take trades anyway. That's it, and that should be it. So that's it, guys. And don't forget, if you didn't get the 5 days trail, just get yourself and start from Monday. And you already have access to the trading room. You have access to all the materials, all the videos, all the training, all good stuff. That's it, guys. And what the heck is happening? What's going on? And that's it, guys. Enjoy your your weekend. Enjoy your Halloween. Don't get so crazy. And see you all on Monday.